Deciphering the causes of smoke from your car's exhaust. Understanding the issues and solutions. Observing smoke billowing from your car's exhaust can be alarming, as it often signifies potential problems with your vehicle's engine or exhaust system. In this video, we will delve into the common reasons behind smoke emissions from a car's exhaust and provide insights into diagnosing and addressing these issues. Understanding the underlying causes of exhaust smoke is vital to maintaining your vehicle's performance, safety, and environmental compliance. So before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Blue smoke. Blue smoke from your car's exhaust is typically indicative of engine oil burning. This can result from several issues. Worn piston rings. Worn or damaged piston rings allow engine oil to seep into the combustion chamber, where it burns alongside the fuel. This produces blue smoke. Valve stem seals. Damaged or deteriorated valve stem seals can also permit oil to enter the combustion chamber, leading to blue smoke emissions. Overfilled oil reservoir. Excess engine oil, often caused by overfilling the oil reservoir during maintenance, can be pushed into the combustion chamber, resulting in blue smoke. To address blue smoke issues, consult a mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and necessary repairs, which may include replacing piston rings or valve stem seals. 2. White smoke. White smoke from your car's exhaust can be associated with several different issues, including coolant leak. If coolant leaks into the combustion chamber, it can create white smoke. Common causes include a blown head gasket or a cracked engine block. Condensation. White smoke that dissipates quickly, especially when starting a cold engine, may be due to condensation in the exhaust system. This is typically not a cause for concern. Fuel injection problems. In some cases, improper fuel injection or malfunctioning fuel injection system can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in white smoke. Low engine temperature. Operating your vehicle with an engine that's too cold can produce white exhaust smoke until the engine reaches its optimal operating temperature. For white smoke issues, have your car inspected to identify the source of the problem. Repairs may involve addressing coolant leaks, fuel injection issues, or thermostat problems. 3. Black smoke. Black smoke emanating from your car's exhaust is typically linked to excessive fuel combustion. Common causes include fuel system problems. Malfunctions in the fuel injection system, such as a stuck-open fuel injector or a faulty oxygen sensor, can lead to an overly rich air-to-fuel ratio, producing black smoke. Clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict the airflow into the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-to-fuel ratio and black smoke. Faulty mass airflow sensor, MAF. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can misread the amount of air entering the engine, resulting in excessive fuel injection and black smoke. Carbon buildup. Accumulated carbon deposits in the combustion chamber or on the fuel injectors can hinder proper combustion, leading to black smoke emissions. To address black smoke issues, consult a mechanic for a diagnostic assessment. Necessary repairs may involve cleaning or replacing components like the air filter, fuel injectors, or MAF sensor. 4. Gray smoke. Gray smoke can be a bit more challenging to diagnose, as it may result from a combination of factors, including oil burning. Gray smoke may indicate a mixture of oil and fuel combustion, typically occurring when there are issues with both the fuel and oil systems. Turbocharger problems. In some cases, gray smoke may be related to turbocharger issues, such as a damaged or worn-out turbocharger. Exhaust leaks. Exhaust leaks near the manifold or in the exhaust system can contribute to gray smoke emissions. Given the potential complexities involved, it's crucial to have a mechanic assess and diagnose the specific cause of gray smoke emissions for appropriate repairs. Conclusion. In conclusion, smoke emissions from your car's exhaust can stem from various issues, including blue smoke indicating oil burning, white smoke due to coolant leaks or other causes, black smoke linked to excessive fuel combustion, and gray smoke resulting from multiple factors. Prompt diagnosis and necessary repairs by a qualified mechanic are essential to address these issues and maintain your vehicle's performance and environmental compliance. If you encounter persistent smoke emissions, seek professional guidance for a thorough assessment and resolution. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.